Every breath you take feels like peace to me. It's the way you listen that sets me free. You never fix what's not your part. You hold the silence, guard my heart, while everyone tries to explain. You stand beside through joy and pain. The little things you never do speak louder than a crowded room. Not a sigh, a steady tune. You make my thoughts feel safe in bloom. And though the world may rush and spin, you pull me gently back within. No need for more, no need for plans. Just quiet strength in open hands. It's the way you listen, not the words you say. The world grows gentle, the noise fades away. Every breath you take feels like peace to me. It's the way you listen that sets me free. Ooh, love's not always loud or grand. It's found in hearts that understand. You don't repair, you don't pretend. You stay until the storms all end. I've learned that comfort's not in sound. It's in the stillness we have found. And every time you simply stay, the dark just fades away. It's the way you listen, like the morning air. The calm between us, it's always there. You don't have to speak, you just let it be. It's the way you listen that comforts me. No grand replies, no promises new. Just quiet truth between us two. And in your silence I can see you're listening to me.
The morning hums, the light feels new. I pour my heart in shades of you. We don't need plans, we don't need lines. The best of love takes its time. I've seen the years rush through the glass, but here with you they move and last. No need to name what this could be. Your eyes already answer me. We're not chasing endless skies, we're just holding what survives. And every breath and every glance becomes a second chance. Halfway to forever, right here, right now. No need for always, we got somehow. If time stands still in your embrace, that's close enough to grace. Halfway to forever, and I'm fine with that place. The coffee cools, the sun turns gold. The same old songs, but they never get old. You laugh and time just folds in two. Every road leads back to you. We talk in half words, knowing eyes. Our silence sweeter than goodbyes. The world outside can spin and fade, but love feels unafraid. Maybe we'll never have it all, but this small small piece can hold it all. And though the years may change the view, I'll always start with you. Halfway to forever, right here, right now. No need for always. We've got somehow, if time stands still in your embrace, that's close enough to grace. Halfway to forever, and I'm fine with that place. I used to think forever meant a promise carved in firm cement, but now I see it softly grows in moments no one knows. No need to prove, no need to say. Love's not measured anyway. It lives in quiet, gentle air, in knowing you are there. Halfway to forever, the sunlight in your hair. No perfect promise, just love that's there. If every dawn can feel this true, then I'll spend my life with you. Halfway to forever, and that's enough to do. The day drifts slow, the shadows fall, but love still hums through it all. Halfway to forever, and maybe that's forever after all. After all.
I used to chase the world outside with restless steps and open eyes, but every road just turned me round till your voice became my sound. The nights were long, the streets were wide. I learned to run, I learned to hide. Then you appeared, and all at once the noise became undone. Now I don't need a place to be as long as you are next to me. The world can spin, the storms can blow, but in your arms I know I can call it home. Wherever we may go, no walls, no stones, just heart and soul. You're the place I've always known. I can call it home, the softest love I've ever known. You're the peace I can't outgrow, I'll always call you home. The window hums, the kettle sings, the morning light on golden strings. You read a book, your hair half tied. The moment swells, the world subsides. No fancy plans, no crown to wear, just quiet breath and open air. Your laughter warms the wooden floor, and I don't need a thing no more. You taught me what the word can mean, not just a place, but in between, the space where hearts can freely roam. That's where I call it home. Home, wherever we may go. No walls, no stones, just heart and soul. You're the place I've always known. I can call it home, the softest love I've ever known. You're the peace I can't outgrow, I'll always call you home. Ooh, I've been lost in crowded rooms, chasing stars and chasing tunes, but love's not loud, it hums so low. It's found in you, and now I know. Your hand in mine, the world feels near, the quiet hum I long to hear. No map, no plan, no need to roam. With you, I'm home. You say stay close, I nod, I will. The world fades out, the air grows still. No need for dreams, I've found my own. Right here, I call it home. I can call it home.